Hello, my dear students in grade 4. In this video, I will explain lesson 3. This is a first part, and in the second part, I will solve exercise 3. In lesson 3, we have two main points, many ways to write and composing and decomposing. Many ways to write, how we can write any number in many ways or in different forms. You can write number in standard form, expanded form, word form, or short word form. But you can't write the number in word form and short word form if you can't write number in words like this. If you don't know how you can write 12, how you can write million, how you can write thousands, milliard, and so on, you can't write a word form. In this place value chart, we have number, and we will write this number in many ways. First way or first form is standard form. To write any number in standard form, you should focus well how many periods you have in this number. Here we have 3 periods. Start with the highest place, millions. Write the digits inside this place. 3, 7, 7, 8. We have here 3 digits. Write 7, 7, 8. Put comma. Next period in thousands place we have 3, 4, 0. Write all digits and put comma. Last period we have 821, 778,340,821. Focus well and put this in your mind. Commas are used to show periods. To know how many periods in the number, you should see how many commas or how many parts or how many periods. Next form, expanded form. To can write the number in expanded form, you should see the periods. You should see the highest place. What we write here, what we have here, we have 7. Write 7, and instead of all digits before 7, write zeros. 7 and 8 zeros. Plus, next place, 7 in 10,000, in 10 millions place, we have 7. Write 7 and 7 zeros, 8 and 6 zeros, plus we finish the first period. Go to next period, 3 and 5 zeros, 4 and 4 zeros, but focus well if you have 0 in any place. If you have 0, that meaning you have nothing. You shouldn't write anything here. Go to next place. We have 8 in hundreds. Write 8 and 2 zeros, and next place 2. Write 2, 20. Last place we have 1. You should write 1 in the end. Focus well and read this note. Zero are not needed in expanded form because there is nothing in that place value. If you have in any place 0 in any place, don't write anything in expanded form. Next form, we can write the number in word form. If you want to write number in word form, you should read the number and focus well how many periods. Take first period. We have and read it. Read the number in this period. 778 million. You should write, as you said, 778 million. Next period we have in thousands. We have 340,000. Write 340,000. Read here 821. 821. Don't say once. 821 only. Last form, short word form. Short word form mixing between standard and word form. You can write the digits and write the name of period or name of place in words only. 778 millions, word millions or millions in word only. 340,000, 821, and in last period we don't write anything. We have 2 examples. First example, he tell you write each number in standard form. You have 2 numbers here, number in expanded form and the next one in word form. To write the number in a standard form, you should see how many periods you have here. We have 9 milliard 300 million, 20 million, 6,430. That's meaning in milliard, the meaning you have 4 periods. You make 4 periods like this. And biggest or highest period, we write 9 in 1 milliard. Write 9 and go to next number. We have 3,000 or 3 million or 3 milliard, 3 million. That meaning 300 million. You should write in 100 millions place, write 3. Next one, 20 million, 20 and 10 millions place, write 2. But here, what we write here? Nothing, write 0. 600,000, write 6 in 100,000 place. 400 here in hundreds place, and here what we write? 0, 0. 4, 30, write 3, and in ones place write 0. Next one, if you have number in word form like this, 3 milliard, 3 milliard. The milliard, the meaning you have 4 periods. 3 in milliard place, write 3. 600 million, 100 million. This period, the name of this period is million. In ones, tens, 100 million, write 6. 540,000. We go to next period. But here and here in ones and tens million, nothing, write zeros. 540,000. 500, write 5 in hundreds place. 44 in 10,000 place, and nothing in 1,000 place. 650, 6 in hundreds, 5 in tens, 0 in ones. Next example, write each number in word form. We have 2 numbers. First number in standard form, second number in expanded form, and he want to write it in or write them in word form. I said to write any number in word form, you should read the number, and after you read digit or place, write it. We will start from left side. 4 what? 4 milliard. Okay, write down 4 milliard. Here in the next period we have 8 in 1 million. In 1 million's place, so you should say 4 milliard, 8 million. Write 8 million down. 11 in thousands place, we have 11 what? 11,000, because we are in the second period or in the thousands place, so you should say 11,000. 91, 11,091. Next one, 60 million. You should see if you have another number in million. We have here 7 million. So together is one period. 67 million. Comma, because we finished the first period. Go to next number 200,000. Do you see any thousand? Yes, we have 40,000. 2 numbers together is a period like this. 240. What? In which place or in which place? Yes, in which period? In thousands. So you should say 240,000. 513. Right? 513. Here you should check your understanding. Write each number in standard form. We have 2 numbers, one in expanded form, second number in word form. To write the number in standard form, I said you should write periods before start to write. We have here 5 milliard. 5 milliard, the meaning of 4 periods. You should put 4 periods like this. 5 in 1 milliard, so you should write 5 in the first or highest place. 70,000. 70,000 here, thousands in the second period. That meaning you have nothing in millions place. So put zeros in the 3 digits in millions place. 70 meaning here in 10,000 place. In 100,000 place, what we write? 0. And here in 10 write 7. And here we have 1,000, so you write 1 in thousands place. 40 here in tens place, 49, and that meaning you should write here in hundreds 0, 4 in tens, and 9 in ones place. B, 58 million 37,000 14, highest place or highest period million, meaning you should have 3 periods only. 58 meaning the 5 in 10, 8 in 1 million. 58 million. 37,000 in thousands place we have 37. Here nothing, 0. Here 3, 7. Last period we have 14. 14 meaning in hundreds place nothing, in tens place 1, in ones place 4. Next exercise, he tell you write the number or the word form. Write the word form of the number 30,300,030,303. Start from left side. Here we will write word form. I said if you want to write word form, say the number or read the number. 3 what? 3 milliard. Yes, right? 3 milliard. Next, 300 million. Right, 300 million. 30,000. Right, 30,000. 303. Finished. Okay, so easy if you read each period. Write the expanded form of the number 7,608,490 in expanded form. To write any number in expanded form, I said write the digit and all number before or all digits before this digit is zeros. 7 and 6 zeros. This is highest place. Write 7, 6 zeros plus 6, 5 zeros plus what? An expanded form or zeros are needed. Are not needed in a standard in expanded form. Nothing. We don't write anything. Go to next place or next digit. 8. 8,000. Yes, 8,000. Next digit. 4. 4 what? 400. 4 and 2 zeros. 9. 90. Now we finished writing the number in expanded form. Next point in this lesson, composing and decomposing number. What the meaning of composing? Composing meaning put together, put digits together. Decomposing meaning broken apart, like or as you see now. You can decompose the number 5,456,387 in different ways using a place value chart. We have here our place value chart, and we have two ways to write or to decompose the number. First way, expanded form. That meaning if he tell you decompose this number, you can write the number in expanded form. This is your answer. Okay, and now we will start. In the first period, we have one digit only. We have 5. 5 and how many digits before 5? 6. So write 5 and 6 zeros. In the second period, we have 4 in hundreds place. That meaning you should write 4 with 5 zeros. And next period, we have 5 in 10,000 place. So you should write 5 and 5 zeros. Next place, we have 6 in 1,000 place. 6 and 3 zeros, 6,000. In the next period, we have in hundreds, we have 3, write 300. 8 in 10, in tens place, write 80. 7 in ones place, you should write 7. Here we should write 7 in last place. Decompose the number with the next way or second way. We have here in the value chart, we have 5 in million, in 1 million. That meaning in which place in 1 million, that you should multiply 5 times 1 million. We have 4 in 100,000. In 100,000, thousands. That meaning you should multiply 4 times 100,000. 5 in which place? In 10,000 place. That meaning you should multiply 5 times 10,000 place. Here we have 6 in 1,000 place. That meaning you should multiply 6 times 1,000 place. 3 in hundreds. Multiply 3 times 100. 8 in tens place. You should multiply 8 times 10. And the 7 in ones place. Multiply 7 times 1. Now we make decompose this number with two ways, expanded form and multiply by 10, multiply by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. We have here example, complete the following. He tell you here decompose. We will start to write the digits, all digits inside the chart in the first. In the first period we have 8 in milliards place. In the second period we have in millions place 3 digits, 0 in hundreds, 3 in tens, 5 in second period 402, 4 in hundreds, 0 in tens, 2 in ones. Last period 176, 1 in hundreds, 7 in tens, 6 in ones. Decompose. Here we have 8 in milliards. 8 in milliards place or 1 milliard place. That meaning you should multiply 8 times 1 milliard plus 0, nothing. Don't write anything here like expanded form. 3 in 10 millions. 3 and 10 millions place. That meaning write 3 and multiply 10 millions place. 5 in 1 million place. Multiply 5 times 1 million place. 4 in 100,000. Write 4 times 100,000. 0 in 10,000. So you should write nothing here. Don't write anything here. 2 in 1,000. Write 2 times 1,000. 1 in hundreds. So you should write 1 times 100. 7 in tens, so you should multiply 10 times 10. And in ones place we have 6, multiply 6 times 1. B. Decompose. He gives you a number after make decompose. He wants you make compose of this number or decompose this number. He wants you decompose this number. In the first, put the values or put the digits inside the place value chart. First number here, 7 times 1 million. That meaning in 1 million place write 7. 900,000 in 100,000 write 9. 8 times 1,000 in 1,000 write 8 and in tens put 0. 2 times 10 in tens place write 2 and in hundreds put 0. In ones place we have 5. Now we can write the number in standard form. 7,908,025. Number 2, decompose the following numerals using expanded form. First one, we have 340,051. It's so easy. You can write the number to make decompose. You can write the number in expanded form. 300, write 3 and 5 zeros like this. 4 and 4 zeros. 40,000. 50 plus 1. Next one. 3 millions. This number in short word form. 3,409,735. 3 millions, write 3 and the 6 zeros because he said 3 millions. 400, write 400,000. 9,000. 735. Last one, 23,200,841. 23 million, write 20 million. 3 million. 200,000, write 200,000. 800, write 800. 40, write 40. 1, write 1. So easy. You can write any number in, or you can make decompose or compose to any number. Check your answer or your understanding. Complete the following. We have here compose. He tell you here compose 7,504,092,415. To make decompose, I said you can make write your number like this, multiply times 1 million, and so on, or you can write the number in expanded form. We will multiply 7 in which place? In 1 milliard. So let's write 7 times 1 million. 5 times 100, or 5 in 100 million. So we will write 5 times 100 million. Here nothing, don't write anything like expanded form. 4 in 1 million. So you should multiply 4 times 1 million. And in 100,000 we don't have anything. 9 in 10,000, so you should write or multiply 9 times 10,000. 2 in 1,000, multiply 2 times 1,000. And 4 times 100, 1 times 10, 5 times 1. Next one, he wants you compose 3 times 1 milliard. So write 3 in 1 milliard. This is first period from the left side. 2 times 100 million. So in the next period, in hundreds place, in period million, you should write 2. 5 times 10 million. So in tens millions place, write 5. Write 5. In 4 in times 100,000, write here 0, because we go to next period, thousands place. In 100 thousands place, write 4. In 10 thousands place, write 7. In 1,000 place, write 8. Next period, 6 times 10. That meaning in hundreds, nothing, you should put 0. And 6 in tens. 9 times 1 meaning 1. 9 times 1 meaning 9 in one's place. Exercise 3. Number 1. Write the expanded form of each of the following. Here we have number in standard form, and we want to write this number in expanded form. I said you can start from left side. The highest place we have 5. Write 5 and count zeros before 5. How many digits before 5? We have 4. So you should write 50,000. Or if you want to write expanded form, read the digit 5, 50,000. Here number 5 in 10,000 place. So if you want to read this number, or if you read this number, you say 50. So write 50,000. Here we have nothing, so you should go to next place, because we said zeros are needed in expanded form. And next place we have 3 in hundreds, so you should write 300. 9 in tens is 90. 1 in ones is 1. Next number, or next numeral, we have 740,821. In highest place we have 7. You should write 7 and the 5 zeros, because we have here 5 digits. 700,000 and the 4 in which place? 4 in 10,000 place. So write 40,000. Here in 1,000 place, nothing, because you said 0 is not needed in expanded form. So go to next place. In next place we have 800. In tens place we have 2, 20. In ones place we have 1. Write 1. See, we have here 3 periods. 1,756,300. To write expanded form, we said read the number from left side. 1 million. Write 1 million. Means you should put 1 and 6 zeros. 3 periods. In the next period we have 100,000 place we have 7. Write 700,000. In 10,000 place we have 5. So you should write 50,000. In 1000 place we have 6,000, and write 300. Next one we have here 54,632,000. Highest place we have 5. Write here 50 million. 4 million. 600,000. 6 with 5 zeros. 30,000. Write 3 and 4 zeros. 2,000. Next place 2,000. Write 2 and 3 zeros. Last period we have 4 in hundreds. Write 4. 0 in tens place, so we write nothing here. And last place we have 5. Next number we have 3 periods: 701,462,62,051. Start from left side. Write 700 million. In 10 millions nothing. 1 million. 400,000. Write 400,000. 6 in 10,000, so write 60,000. 2 in 1,000, write 2,000. Nothing in hundreds, write 5 in 50. 5 in 10 in tens place, so you should write 50. 1 in ones place, write 1. We have 9 million. Write 9, and 3 periods of zeros means you should write 9 zeros. 9 in 100 million, so write 9 and 8 zeros. 8 in 10 million, 10 millions place, so you should write 80 million. 9 in 1 million, so write in 1 million's place, so write 9 million. 7 next period in thousands, write 700,000. 9 in 10,000, so write 90,000. 1 in 1,000 in 1,000's place, so write 1,000. And last period we have 985. Next exercise number 2. He tell you in number 2, write each number in standard form. He gives you numbers in word form and expanded form, and you should write the numbers in standard form. Focus well how many periods in each number. Here we have 370, 1 period only, so write 370. Here we have how many periods? We will see 16 million, first period. You should write 16 and put comma. And word million means you should write 3 periods. Word milliard means you should write 4 periods. Word thousand, you should write 2 periods, and so on. Focus well how many periods when you write expanded standard form. 16 millions, we wrote 16 millions here. Next period 201,000, write in the next period 201,000. Last period we have 256. 3 periods here. Next one 439 million. This is first period. Write 439 million and put comma after each period or after 3 digits. Don't forget that. Here, next period we have 898,000. Write 898. And last period we have 13. 13 means 1 in tens place and 3 in ones place. But in hundreds place, put 0. Like this. Because we know each digit or each period should have 3 digits. So you should put here 0 in hundreds place. Next one, 63 million. And do you see this comma? This is the end of the first period. 63 million, write 63, put comma. 796,000, the end of this period here. 796,000. Last period 903. Next one 527 million. So you should write 3 periods like this and this. 3 periods. Write first period in the first 527 million like this. 527. 900,000. in thousandth place or second period, write 900. So you should put 0 and 0 in tenths and 1 thousandth place. Last period 640, write 640 in the ones place. 3 milliard. You should understand, if you see milliard, that means if when you write standard form, put 4 periods. 3 milliards, 402 million, 402 million. After a milliard we have million, after that we have thousands, but here we don't have any number in thousandths place, so put 3 zeros in thousandths place, 3 zeros. And in the last period we have 1700, we have 0 in hundreds place. Next one, 20 plus 7,000, 20,000 plus 7,000, 422. Focus well to can write word for standard form from expanded form. You should search about any thousands to make period. Okay, here we have 20 and here we have 7,000. They are together inside one period. 27,000. Right here, 27,000. Next period we have 422. Write 422. Here we have 1 milliard. The next place or next number we have 400 million. So this first period 1. Write 1 and put comma. Next place or next period in millions we have 400 and here 3 million. So we have 403 together in one period, 403 million. Last period 25, but I said if you see milliard you should write 4 digits. What we write here? We write here 25. No, you should put in thousandths place, put 3 zeros and write 25 in ones place. Like this. Here in thousands write 3 zeros and in ones write 25. Now you have 4 periods because he said here 1 milliard. Last one here we have 700 million and 30,000, 1,000 together inside one period, 540. First period we have 700 million. So write in the first period 700 million in tenths and ones and one in tenths and ones write zeros. Next period 30,000 and 1,000 together inside one period. So write here 31,000. Last period write 540 like this. Exercise 3. Write each number in word form. To write any number in word form, I said in the previous video, I said you should read the number when you write. You should start from left and read each digit. 48. If you want to write this number, you say 48. So write as you said, 48. It's so easy. Next one, 507. Write 507. Here we have 2 periods, 567,000. You should write 567,000. In next period we have 421. So write here 421. Next one, 3,562,504. As we said or as we read, you should write 3 what? 3 million. You should write here 3 million. 500,000. 562,000. Right? As you say, 562,000. 504. Right here 504. 54 million. In the first period, 54 million. Right? 54 million. In the next period, we have 213,000. 213,000. 450 in the last period, 450. So you should read each period. First period 911 million, write like this, 911 million. Second period we have in thousands 394,000. 394,000. Last period we have 116, write 116. If you read the number before write or when you write, you can write quickly. 5 million. First period 5 million. Second period 408. What? 408 million. 408 million. Next period, third period 921,000. Right? 921,000. Last period we have 2, so put 2. Now you have 4 periods. 700,000, 60,000, they are the same, here 1,000 and here 1,000, so you should say 760,000. This first period, 760,000. And 29, right in the last period, 29. Next one, 5 million, 7,900,000, 3,020. Where is periods? Milliard alone inside one period. First period, 5 million. 7 million, yes, write 7 million because we don't have any million here. So write here 7 million. 900,000 and here 3,000. So we have or together two numbers here inside one period. 903,000. 903,000. Last number or last period 20. Write 20 in the end. Next one 900 million, 60 million, 6 million. Focus well. 3 millions. So the three numbers together inside one period, so write 966. That means 966 million. Next period we have 40,000 and here 400. This second in second period we have 40,000 only. Write 40,000. 605. Write 605 in last period. Last number here 5 million. 700 million, 30 million, 800,000. Now I have one first period, 5 million, write 5 million, put comma. Next period, millions. Where is million? 730. So write 730 million. 730 million. And in thousands we have 800,000 and 9,000 together inside one period. 809,000. 809,000. Last period we have 17. Write down 17. Exercise 4. Complete the following. Here you have numbers and you have space. You should write the words here. 700. Here we have 700. 700 what? In which place or in which period? In million. So you should in millions. So you should write 700 million. 5,000. Because we are in or this digit in 1,000th place or in the second period. So write 1,000. Last period 9. Okay. Next one. For what? For periods here, number 4 or digit 4, in which place? In milliard. So write here 4. He gives you milliard, you should write 4. And the next period in millions, for 30 million. You should write here 30. 400,000. We have word 1,000 and you should write 400. Last period we have 50. Here write 50. Here we have 3 periods, 417 million. 400, we have 17 million, you should write 400. 900,000. 900, what? 1,000. 770, we have 70, you should write 700. Next one, 2 million, because we have 4 periods. 2 million, write here word 2 or number 2 in word. 1 million, we have 1 and you should write million. Next place or next period we have 80,000. 80 what? Thousand. 5. Next number 52. 52 what? 52 in which period? In second period. 52,000. Right where the thousand. 376. 376. And you can write the same number in expanded form. We have here 2,000 and we should write 50,000. And here we have 70. You should write here 300. Last digit or last number is 6. 345. And here missing place. We don't know what is written here or what is the digit in hundreds place. 345. Right here what he wants you write in expanded form. The highest place we have 3, so you should write 300,000. And for 40,000 he wrote 40,000 and 5,100. Focus well here because we said here we missing the digit inside hundreds place, and he write here in expanded form. So the digit here is 100. Next, he want to write the same number in word form. 340. We have 340, but here we missing 5,000. So you should write 5, and we have 1,000. Next, here we have one. How many hundred? 100. Write 1. 61. Last exercise 5. Complete the following. Here we have place value chart and we have number decomposed, and he wants you write or compose this number. In the first, how many you should see how many periods. To know how many periods you have in your number, start from first number here. 7 times what? 7 times 10,000. Where is 10,000 place? Here. So we have 2 periods. And put digits inside the places. 7 in 10,000 place. So you should put 7 in 10,000 place. Next, 8 times 1,000. Write in 1,000 place. 8. 5 times 100. Write in hundreds. 5. 2 times 10 in tens. Write 2. 6 times 1 in ones. Write 6. Now you can write this number in standard form. 78,526. Like this. 78,526. I think this is so easy. Next exercise composed. We have 309,431. And we have place value chart. Do you see here how many periods? We have 2 periods. So here we have thousands and ones only. Put all digits down in the places. 3 in hundreds, 0 in 10,000s, and 9 in 1,000s place. Next period 4 in hundreds place, 3 in tens, 1 in ones. Next point or next step, you should decompose this number. Decompose means you should write the number in expanded form or multiply each digit times 1,000, 100, 1 or 10 as you like or as you see in your chart. Here we have 3 in which place? 3 in 100,000 place. So you should write 3 times 100,000. 0. And in 1,000 place we have 9. Write 9 times 1,000. Next place we have 4 in hundreds. Write 4 times 100, 100. 3 in tens. So write 3 times 10. And in last place we have 1. Write 1 times 2. Number C. Composed, decomposed. Here he gives you place value chart with numbers, or write the number inside the place value chart, and he wants to write number in standard form to make compose and expanded form to make decompose. 2 in milliards. We have 2 in 1 million, so write here 2 million, 805 million, 805 million, 400, we have 400 in thousands, 693 in ones. How we can write, or how we can make decompose of this number, or for this number, you can write the number in expanded form. 2 and 9 zeros, because we have before 2 9 digits. That means 9 million. 800 million. 8 and 8 zeros. 0, nothing. We don't write anything here because we said 0 is not needed in expanded form. 5 in 1 millionth place, so you should write 5 million. Next period in thousands place, we have 4 in hundreds, write 400,000, nothing in tens, and 1,000th place. Next period here in ones, we have in hundreds place, we have 6, write 600, and in tens place we have 9, write 90, and last digit is 3. Next one, compose. He gives you number in a standard form, and you should write in the first in the place value chart. After that, decompose the number. We have how many periods? We have 7 million. That means we have 4 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4 periods. In a second period or in millions, we have 52, 0 in hundreds, 5 in tens, and 2 in ones. Next period 318, in 100,000 place write 3, and 10,000 place write 0, write 1, in 1,000 place write 8, last period write 7 in hundreds, 0 in tens, 9 in ones. Now you can decompose the number. We have 7 in 1 million, so you should multiply 7 times 1 million. 0, so nothing here. Next place we have 5 in 10 millions, write 5 times 10 million. 2 in 1 million, write 2 times 1 million. 3 in 100,000, write 3 times 100,000. 1 in tens, write 1 times 10,000. 8 in 1,000, write 8 times 1,000. 7 in hundreds, write 7 times 100. 0, nothing here, and last number or last place we have 9, write 9 times 1. Last exercise, we have in the chart number, and we have million or 4 periods. We have here 3 millions. So if you want to write the number in standard form, you start from left side as we said. 3 million, 3 million, 209 million, 500,000, 708, and now we make decompose. 300, write the number in expanded form as you like. You can write here number in expanded form, and you can here write 3 times 1 million. Solve with any way from them, because we said we have 2 ways to write or to decompose any number. 3 million. Next place we have 2 in 100 million, so write 200 million. Next, nothing. 9 million, write here 9 million. 500,000, nothing in 10,000, nothing in 1,000, so go to next period. 700, write 700. 10th place, nothing, and write 8 in the end. Number 6, complete the following numerals using expanded form. Here we have number in standard form, and he wants to write this number in expanded form. If you see here, we have in highest place 1, and you should write 1. And how many digits before 1? We have 5 digits, so write 1 and 5 digits, or write 100,000. Next place we have 7. You should write 70,000, 4 zeros. Here nothing. We said there is not needed an expanded form, So go to next place. We have 3 in hundreds, write 300. 9 in tens place, write 90. Last number is 2. Next one, we have 105,208. 100,000 means 1 and 5 zeros like this one. In 10th place, we have in 10,000 place, we have nothing. In thousands place, we have 5, write 5,000. And here we have 2 in hundreds, write 200. Nothing in tens, write 8 in ones place. Next one, we have 3 million. We have 3 periods. And highest place, we have 3. Write 3 and how many digits? 6. 3 million. 6 zeros. Plus, next period in thousands, we have 4 in 100,000. Write 4 and 5 zeros. 400,000. 50,000. 5 and 4 zeros. 6,000. 3 zeros. Plus 200. Nothing in tens, and last digit or last number is 9. 2 million. We have 3 periods, 2 like this number, but here we have a short word form. 2,277,191. Write 2 million with 6 zeros, and next period 200,000, 2 and 5 zeros, 70,000, 7,000 plus 191. Next number, we have 35 million. Take highest digit in the highest place, the number in highest place in 10 million. In 10 million, write 30 million. 7 zeros. In 1 million, we have 5, write 5 million. And the next period, we have 17. In tens, we write 1, write 10,000. And in 1,000 place, we have 7, write 7,000 and 230. Next one, 17 million. 1 and how many zeros? 7 zeros, because million 6 zeros and the 7 1 0. Put instead of 7, write 0, so we write 1 and 7 zeros. 7 million. 6 zeros, and in next period in thousands we have 200,000. 30,000. Next period in hundreds we have nothing, so we write 10, and we have 1 in tens place, write 10, and in ones we have 4. Now we go to next one, 3 million. 3 million means 4 periods. Don't forget this point all time. 3 million means 4 periods. Okay, write 3 and 9 zeros. 137 million. Read to reach to the comma because this is second period. 100. Cut or divide this period into numbers like this. 100. 100 what? 100 million. Million means 6 zeros. 100 means 2 zeros. That means you should write 1 and 8 zeros. Okay. Next one. 30. What? 37 million. We will take number in tens. 30 million. Next 7 million. We finished second period, and now we will read third period. 619,000. Write 600,000. First part, 600 what? 600,000. Write 5 zeros. And 19. 19 means 1 and 9. 1,000 and 9,000. Last period here we have 88. 80, write 88. Next number, we have here 2 million. Write 2 and how many zeros? 9 zeros. And how many periods? 4 periods. 2 million, 420 million. Finished here because we have comma here, this is second period. Part or divide this period into parts like this. 400 million, right? 400 million. 8 zeros. 20 million, 7 zeros. And next period, 350. We have here in the second period, we have 352,000. First part in the third period, 300,000 means 5 zeros like this, and 50,000. Last part in this period, 2,000. We write 2,000. Next period or fourth period, I said if you see milliard, you have 4 periods. We finished 3. Now we will write the fourth period. 103. Write 103. In tenth place, nothing. Multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer. This is very important questions. Focus well here and so easy. What is the standard form of 3,500,050? Standard form means you should search down in the answers about the number or the same number in standard form. 3,550,000. Here, not 3 million. And here, 3,500,500. Not right. Here, 3,500,050. Like this. 300,500,050. This is right answer. Next one, 2. Which of the following shows the numeral 5,426,000? Again, 5,426,000,000. Where is this number in the answers down or in expanded form? 5 million. He tell you 5 milliard, not million. And here million. A, B, not right. C and D. Here we have 5 milliard and here we have 5 milliard. 5,426,000. 5,426,000,000. Which one is right? Read again. 5,426,000. So C is right answer. Which of the following represented the number for million? 305,082. Written in expanded form. This number written in expanded form. Search down 4 million. We have 4 million, 4 million, 4 million. They are the same. And 300. Here we have 300. Yes. 30, 300. 30 not right. C not right. Okay. 5, 305. 350 not right. 350 not right. 305. Here we said 30, not 300. So last one is the right answer. Again, 4,300,000, 5,082. 305,082. Next one, number 4, which is the correct way to write the numeral 25,702 in word form. Read again and search about this number. 25,702. 25, not right. I tell you 25,000. 25,702. Yes, this answer is right. B. Number 5, which expression decomposes the numeral 50,374 in expanded form? Decompose means write the number in expanded form. 50,374. 374. Yes, first answer is the right answer. But if you see down, 50,000, 3,074. 3,000, not 300,000. Number 6, which is composed to 7 times 10,000 plus 2 times 10 plus 4 times 1. 7 times 10,000 means 70,000. Search about 70,000 here. 700 and here 7,000. A, C, not right. B, 70 and D, 70. 70,240 and 70,224. Which number is right? We have here 224. This number is right, or D is the right answer. Which numeral and phrase are ways for writing the number that is composed of 3 10,000? Focus well in this number, 3 10,000s, 500s and 2 ones. Write this number in a standard form to can understand. 3 10,000s, 310 means 30. 30,000s means 30,000s, 500s and 2, like this. 30,502. Where is this number? Search about it in standard form. Last one. And we have 3 answers in word form. The same number in word form. 310,000. 310,000. 521. Not right. 30,000. We have 30,502. 30,502. E is right. Now we solve concept 1 assessment. Put true or false. The largest 5-digit number is 98765. This is right or not right? Not right. Why? Because the right answer is 5 nines, like this. 99,999. The place value of digit 9. He asks you about digit 9 in this number. In this number here. Is 100,000. 9 in 100,000 place. True or false? 9 in 10,000 place. So this answer not right, or this phrase not right. 400,000 equal 4,000 hundreds. They are the same or they are equal. We will see now. I said word thousands means 3 zeros. You have here 5 zeros. 400,000. And here we have 3 zeros. Hundreds means 2 zeros. 5 zeros, 2. 400,000. So they are equal or they are the same. This answer is right. D, 4,300 times 100 equal 400 or 43,000. We will see now. Write the number in between the brackets in standard form. In the first, 4,000 means 4,000 plus 300s. Make addition between them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Put 2 zeros out. 3 plus 0 is 3. And 4 plus nothing, 43. The answer is 4,300. This number multiplied by 100. Now the answer is what? If you multiply two numbers and you have zeros, I said put zeros, all zeros out. We have 2 and 2, so write 4 zeros out, but don't forget put comma after each 3 digits. 1 times 43 is 43. Your answer or the right answer 430,000 and the answer here 443,000. Not right. So D not right. E. In the number 773, the digit 7 in the tens place is 100 times less than the 7 in thousands place. Look at 7. We have 2 7 or 2 digits of 7. 7 in thousands, 7 in tens. 7 in tens in thousands place less than or more than 7 in tens place. How many times? If you move from thousands place to tens place, you should move 2 places. So 2 places means 100, means 2 zeros, 100 times. That means expression is right. 8 in thousands place is 80 thousand. 8 in 10,000th place is 80, but here 8 in 1000th place is 8,000. So this is not right. The right answer is 8,000. Next one, choose the correct answer. Here he tell you the value of digit 5 in the number, this number 52,789, this number is 10 times the value of the digit 5 in which numbers? We have 4 numbers down. He asked you about digit 5. 5 10 times, 10 times. That means 5 moves one place. Moves one place. Here we don't have 5. 5 moves 2 places to be in hundreds. And 5 here in thousandth place. That means 5 in the first in 10,000, and here if you moved 5 to 10 place, you get this number. He wants you to make comparing between two numbers. We have here 314,562 and here 47,998. Which one is more? 300 more than 47. So A is right. The value of the digit 0 in the number 300 million, 301 million, 526,432. He asked you about what? Asked you about 0. Digit 0 is what? Is 1,000, 10,000, 10 million, or 0? We said 0 in any place is nothing, so the right answer is 0. D. 300, this number 350,000 is what? Times more than 35,000. More than and less than and how many times? You should see how many zeros. Here we have 3 zeros and here we have 4 zeros. Which one is more? This number is more than 35,000. More than 55,000 with how many times? One place only. One place only means 10. 10 times. We have numbers down. He asks you, in which number does the 4 have a value of 4,000? Where is 400? And here 4, in which place? 4 in 10 million, and here 4 in 1,000. He tell you 4,000. 4,000 here. C. Next one. Which statement? We have 4 statements down. Which statement explain who the value of the 6 or digit 6 in the numbers 360 and 3,600. We have 2 numbers here, 6 in tens and here 6 in hundreds. That means 36, 360 is 100 times, not 100 times. Anyone have 100 times? Not right. A and B 100 times? Not right. Go to B and D. 36, 360 is 10 times greater, 300 greater than 3,000? Not right. 3,600 is 10 times greater than 360. This is right answer or right statement. Here, number 3, complete. The value of digit 1 in the number 1,324,072,569 is what? Ask you about 1 milliard. When we read this number, we said 1 milliard. So right here 1 milliard. Next one, 38,000 equals how many hundreds? We said thousands, 3 zeros, hundreds means 2 zeros. 38,000, how many zeros? If you cut from here 2 zeros, you have 380. 380 hundreds. See, 300,000 and 8 tenths times 10 equals what? 300 thousandths, write the number in standard form. 300 thousandths, like this. Plus or and means plus. 8 tenths is 80. Now make addition between two numbers. Start from the ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. Write 80 out. And here, nothing. 3000 plus nothing. Write 3000 out. Here, your number is what? 300,080. Multiplied by 10. Write times 10. Now, if you multiply two numbers like this, you have here 0 and here 0, you should put two zeros out and multiply 1 times all digits here, equal the same digits, 3,800,000. This is the answer. Next one. Here, what is 10 times greater than 300,000? 300,000, write this number in standard form to can understand how you solve. 300, you tell you 10 times greater. 10 times greater than means add 0 here. So the answer is 3 million. 6 zeros and here we have 5 zeros. Next one, this number we have 257 multiplied by 1000. If you multiply two numbers like this together, the answer it will be, put zeros out, 1 times 257 is 257. So, we ask you now, digit 5 in the product equals what? Or the value of digit 5. 5 in which place? 5 in 10,000th place. So, 5 equal, or the value of 5 is 50,000. Next one. In the number 324,312, the digit 3 in the 100,000th place is what or how many times the value of the 3 in the 100th place. If you see here, 3 to move from 100th place to 100,000th place, you will jump or move how many places? 1, 2, 3. 3 places means 3 zeros, means 1,000th time. Match the cars that have the same numeral. First one, 2,743,562. Search about 2 million. Here we have 2 million, not right. 20 million, not right. 2 million, yes. 2 million what? 2,743,562. This you should match A with 3 or by 3. 2,743,562. 2,743,562. Yes. Next one, 20,743. 20,743. And here 2 million. This C to 2. 2 million, last one to 4. Ahmed wrote the number 1,146,000,000. Number 5. Ahmed wrote the number 146,152,780. The answer is 6 million. The answer is 6 million. What is the question? He asked you about what? He answered 6 million. The answer is 6 million. What is the question? He look here, 6 in which place? In million place or 1 million millions place. So he asked about the value of digit 6. What is the value of the digit 6? This is the question. Next one. What number is twice? Twice means double or means times 2. The value of the 10,000 digit in this number. Do you see? 10,000 thousandths. Where is 10 thousandths? We have 2 in 10 thousandths. Means the value of 2 here equals what? 20,000. If you make double or multiply 20,000 times 2, the answer is 40. So, what number is twice the value of the 10,000th digit in this number, or in 423,008, is 40. We multiply 20,000 times 2. Number 7. Write a number in which the value of digit 4, you will write number from your mind. The digit 4 in the number 41,792 is 10 times the value of digit 4 in your number. You will write number from your mind. This number has 4 in any place. In which place he asks you about this point? In which place you will put 4 in your number? Here 4 in tens place. If we want to can solve or to can understand me, I will solve 4 in expanded form like this: 40,000. 4 in this number in 10,000 place. He tell you write another number, and you write digit 4 in your number, but is 10 times the value of digit 4 in your number. So we will write 4 or put 4, move one place, because they tell you 10, you should write 400 like this, 400,000. We moved one place and we write 4. Here we will write our number here. This is your answer with 4 in hundreds place. Why we write 4 in hundreds place? Because he tell you 10 times the digit in this number. 4 and any digits as you like. 498, 432, 408, as you like. 498,250. Ashraf said that 24,613,351 is 1 million more, greater than this number by 1 million. 1 million more than what? 14,613,351. The two periods, first two periods, they are the same, but here we have 2 in 10 million, and here we have 1 in 10 millions. Please describe his error. Here we have he said 1 million more than 14. If you add 14 million plus 1 million like this, we get what? We get 15 million, not 24. Why? Because 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. All 3 digits, or first 3 digits, they are the same, and the second 3 digits, they are the same. Here in 1 million we have 4, and in 1 million here we have 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5, and 1 in 10 million in the next number, 1 plus nothing equals 1. So the answer, it will be 15 million, not 24 million. So this statement not right. The right answer is 10 million. 24,000 or 24, this number more than this number by 10 million, not 1 million. 10 million more, not 1 million more. Next one, number 9, the number 863 is multiplied by 1000. What is the value, or what is the new value of digit 9? If you multiply two numbers like this, what is the digit 6? What is the value of digit 6? 1000 times 863 equals 863,000. He asked you about digit 6. 6 in which place? In 10,000th place, so 6 equals 60. Here write 60,000. Number 10. The number 341,426 had the digit 4. In this number we have 4 in hundreds and 4 in 10,000. Has the digit 4 in two different places. How many times greater is the value represented by the 4 in the 10,000th place than the value of the 4 in the 100th place. In 100th place we have 4. How many times? If you move from 100th place to 10,000th, you should move 2 places. 2 places means 2 zeros. 2 zeros means 100 times. Next one. How many thousands are there in 1 million? In 1 million, focus well. 1 million 6 zeros. He asked you about how many thousands. Thousands cross 3 zeros to put word thousands instead of 3 zeros. So now how many thousands inside or in million? We have 100,000. Last one, number 12. Use the words in the box to complete the sentence. Here, words to know. We have 3 words: periods, standard form, expanded form. In what? Numbers are separated by commas into groups. In which form? Standard form or expanded form? We put groups or periods. In which form? In standard form. We put comma after each 3 digits. So right here, standard form. In standard form, numbers are separated by commas into groups. Next, of 3 digits. Called what? Called periods. Now we finished exercise 3 and all thing about lesson 3. See you in the next video, and I hope you understand well. Goodbye, my dear students.